And he is no other than
Pangasinan!
Prince Joel. This is a chance. This is an opportunity. A platform where I can share my advocacy. As someone who has been passionate about the nature and the environment, I believe that it is my duty to use my platform to promote environmental protection and save the planet that we call home. We must globally form our hearts and change the climate of our souls, and realizing that we are not a part of nature, but we, human beings, are part of nature. I am an advocate of empowering youth and communities through ecotherapy. I am a dedicated tourism student who has been passionate about promoting sustainable practices and fostering well-being within the communities. I aim to highlight the transformative impact on society, specifically targeting community members and youth through ecotherapy. By harnessing the healing power of nature, we can empower individuals to enhance their mental health, deepen their connection, and become an active agent for change. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Pangasinan. I have only one name left.